The way I describe this movement and the thing that I'm so passionate about is the community. You know, there's so many things we aim to do with this outreach. And it's about bringing people together. It's about saving the environment in the best way we can. It's about reducing our carbon footprint in a way that makes sense to us. My name is Don Schreiner, and I'm part of the Repair Cafe that meets once a month. The volunteers dedicate their time to help repair people's appliances, tools, bikes, you name it. Repair Cafe is empowering people to take control of their own lives. And you take control of your own life by controlling your consumption, what you take. It's kind of an interactive experience that I think just basically brings out the community and people that come in here with their broken stuff. You know, we're influencing them. So maybe there's a dozen people every couple of weeks, or maybe a couple of dozen people that come in here, and then you fix their stuff, and geez, when they leave, they hug you, they bring you cookies. I mean, they just love you, and it's a mutual thing. People say, "Oh, I broke this." Well, great, let's fix it. You know, and the people that work in here. We just love what we do. We just, you know, the feeling of tools and the problem solving that goes on, and I think everybody involved with this group, and probably a lot of other groups like this, is you're making a deposit into humanity. Last time we had kids in here, and they just had a blast. You know, they give them a nut and a bolt and a crescent wrench, and I didn't hear anything from them the whole gig. But you know, that's for a kid. You can just see the little brains go. You know, oh, okay, I see how. And what this place allows you to realize is, just because something doesn't work doesn't mean it's broken. And you know, all the resources and energy that it took to mine the material, to build it, to ship it across the ocean to us, and get here. You know, people are saying, well, geez, why should I just go buy a new one and pay for that all over again when I can just fix it myself? People are going to have to realize that we're all in this together. I think that the Earth is going to be fine. Whether we as a species is going to be fine, that's a whole nother story. You know, I don't have the answer, but I know this much I do know is we better start looking for one. Repair Cafe, it may be a little thing, but you know, lots of little things make a movement.